Today, we explore why rebellion blocks connection as our journey through the Book of Proverbs centers around Proverbs 18:1. Let's dive right in as we break down the wisdom behind this profound verse and its practical implications for finding the equilibrium between self-interest and maintaining healthy connections. Proverbs 18:1 reads, "An unfriendly person pursues selfish ends, and against all sound judgment starts quarrels." To truly grasp the essence of this life-changing wisdom, it's important to get a sense of its historical and cultural context. In ancient times across diverse cultures and historical landscapes, the verse Proverbs 18:1 resonated against the backdrop of close-knit communities. It echoed the prevailing understanding that prioritizing self-interest could disrupt the harmony within social circles. Reflective of various cultural norms, this verse highlighted the detrimental consequences of pursuing personal gain at the expense of communal harmony and reasoned judgment. Across civilizations, this proverb encapsulated a shared wisdom that valued cooperation and thoughtful discourse, while cautioning against the divisive behaviors that could disrupt the cohesion essential for the stability of ancient societies. Within the verse of Proverbs 18:1, we discover the power to foster a friendly and approachable demeanor rather than seeking unnecessary conflicts and quarrels. As we break down this verse together, we discover that even in today's society, Proverbs 18:1 still holds the key to recognizing the destructive nature of self-centered behavior and the propensity for conflict that arises from it. The opening phrase, "an unfriendly person," refers to someone who prioritizes their own interests and desires over the well-being of others. The verse goes on to highlight the irrationality of starting quarrels with the phrase, "against all sound judgment," pointing to the foolishness of engaging in unnecessary disputes. Proverbs 18:1 encourages us to examine our own attitudes and motivations and challenges us to prioritize kindness and selflessness in our interactions. Now, let's explore how we can put God's timeless wisdom into action to enrich our lives and enhance our connections with others by nurturing self-awareness. Nurturing self-awareness empowers us to engage in self-reflection and embrace a higher level of emotional intelligence. In a world that often moves swiftly, pausing to examine our motivations and behaviors becomes an act of mindfulness. Elevate your capacity to nurture self-awareness through daily introspection, developing a deep understanding of your motives, emotions, and tendencies. This equips you to navigate life's complexities with God's grace and wisdom. This practice encourages us to assess whether our actions align with our values and fosters a more empathetic approach to our interactions with others. Give this easy technique a try to explore the depths of your intentions, seeking to uncover the underlying reasons behind your actions. Dedicate a few minutes each evening to reflect on your actions, reactions, and intentions of the day. Consider keeping a journal to track patterns over time, allowing you to identify areas of growth and develop a strong sense of self-awareness. By embracing the wisdom of Proverbs 18:1, we gain insights into our own biases, emotional triggers, and desires. We are empowered to navigate interactions with greater sensitivity and wisdom. As you soak in the wisdom of Proverbs, I encourage you to find a quiet moment for uninterrupted reflection. Let the beauty of these landscapes and soothing soundscapes inspire your thoughts. If you'd like to delve even deeper, download our Proverbs Life 365 Journal with customized prompts for deeper exploration of today's topic. Follow the link below to enhance your reflective journey. Thank you for joining us.